If you believe principals lead by example, nurturing communities, mentoring staff and igniting student passions. If you believe juggling the clashing demands of students, teachers, parents and their employer is a fine art, and that enthusiasm from the top is infectious. If you believe creativity and resourcefulness can make a limited budget stretch further than anyone could ever guess. If you feel a principal is a role model, balancing tenderness and tough love. They have the workload of a CEO, but without the fancy cars and long lunches. If you believe that a principal is a dedicated teacher, a keen listener, and an inspiring leader, someone with a grand vision. If you feel that principals helping others every day deserve a little help in return, like a bank that helps them and their staff. And above all else, if you believe that teaching is one of the most important jobs in the world. The feeling's mutual.